And how'd you get those 85-cent small blizzard treats?
You better be nice, Louis. She's like, oh no, oh no. He's just like that. Look, she's giving me stink eye, Mom. She's giving me stink eye. Come here, Izzy. She's like, I don't trust that bird. I don't trust that bird one bit. She's like, I don't trust her. You don't trust her? I wouldn't need her when she's giving you that side eye. You giving her the side eye? You guys are silly. You're silly. Bunch of silly kids. Gotta watch your tail. Oh, look at her. She's looking at your tail. Oh, we see you, Louis. Yeah. Right? Yeah. Yeah.